Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. Y divided by x divided by y. So this is about the read number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vx. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. First the derivative of v, we have number 1 dv over dx multiplied by x. First the derivative of x, we have number 1, so we have v, and that is about the product rule of the derivative. So dy over dx, that is about this one. So y we change by vx. Now we simplify. This one we have v. This one we have 1 over v. And now 1 over 2 multiplied by v and 1 over v. Next, v I will put on the right. We have negative v. So this one, we have negative 1 over 2. That's about 1 over 2 with v in here. Now we do common denominator of this one. So this one we need to multiply by v on numerator and denominator. So v multiplied by v, we have v squared. Now we need to combine two fractions in here. So this one I will put on the left, the s and s we put on the right. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. So we concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 1 minus v squared. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative number 2v dv. Because first the derivative of v squared, we have 2v. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0 in here. Because we don't have the negative sign, so we put the negative next to the u. This one we change by u. 2v dv, we change by negative du. And we have negative ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. This one we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.